Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download and install Steam. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google, and then when you're in Google, in your search bar, just type Steam. So type STEAM and click enter. Now, here you have of course a lot of options, but what you need to do is of course go and click on, for instance, let's go to Welcome to Steam. Here, as you can see on their in their store, you have a lot of options. So you have the store, community, you have the about and the support, and a lot of more things here that you can go and click on. In the top right corner, you have the language where you can change your language, the login, if you can go and log in. But of course, firstly, you just need to go and register to and create a account. Also here, as you can see, we have the install Steam where you need to go and click on. Here, as you can see, Steam is the ultimate destination for playing, discussing, and creating games. You can see how much players are online and how much players are playing some games on Steam. Now, all you need to do is click on install Steam. Here we go, immediately you will have it downloaded. So this install Steam button is in also the download button. Click there and see here you can see you have the Steam setup that has been downloaded in the top right corner. You just need to then go and click on it, and of course then install Steam as you would install any other thing on your PC. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.